trip that you will take. So now it will take us 2 hours and 47 minutes without the... Hello guys, and welcome to AI plus more. In this video I'll be showing you how you can avoid highways using Google Maps, or while you're using a Google Maps. So when we head over to Google Maps over here, which is this one, when you want to go to a certain or specific destination, you're usually given the direction which will lead you to a highway so that it will be faster. But what if you don't like using the highway, or you have to avoid the highway? Well, that is what I'm going to show you today. So first of all, I want to show you how this works usually before you have a highway. So when you have a highway, let's say from here on Japan, I want to go to a specific location still in Japan. Let's say we want to go on to Mito here, in the same region as Tokyo. And then it will show us this direction here. And it says that it will take us 1 hour and 21 minutes. That is quite a while. But let's say we don't want to use the highway. And let's say we don't want to take the highway. What we need to do is head here on the top right, click on options, and go and click avoid highways. Now this will rearrange or reorganize the location, and now it will take you much longer. It will change the direction and the entire trip that you will take. So now it will take us 2 hours and 47 minutes without the use of tolls, because you are not taking any highways. So it might take a while, or it might actually take you a bit faster if there are no traffic. But I'm sure in Japan, traffic isn't really a big problem. But what can I say? I haven't been to Japan. But that is it. That is how you can avoid highways using Google Maps. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.